Riddle me this. I start with an E, end with an E, and contain one letter. What could I be? An envelope.
The lost wallet. Alex had a busy day yesterday. He needed to buy a gift for his friend's birthday, so he decided to go to the city center. Alex took a bus to the shopping mall and started looking for the perfect gift. At the first store, Alex saw a beautiful watch. He thought it would be a great gift, but it was too expensive. So, Alex left the store and went to another one. He walked through the mall, looking at different items. Finally, Alex found a nice book that his friend would love. After buying the book, Alex felt hungry. He went to a cafe, ordered a sandwich, and sat down to eat. While eating, Alex remembered that he needed to buy a card for the gift. He quickly finished his sandwich and went to the card shop. In the card shop, Alex searched for the perfect card. He found one with a funny message and went to the cashier to pay. When Alex reached into his pocket, he realized something was wrong. The wallet was missing. Alex started to panic. He retraced his steps, walking back to the cafe. He asked the waiter if anyone had found a wallet, but the waiter said no. Then, Alex went back to the bookshop and asked the cashier if they saw a wallet, but again, no luck. Feeling worried, Alex decided to check the first store where he saw the watch. When Alex entered the store, the salesperson recognized him. "Did you lose something?" the salesperson asked. Alex nodded, and the salesperson handed him the wallet. "You left it here when you were looking at the watches," the salesperson explained. Alex was so relieved. He thanked the salesperson, took his wallet, and left the store with a big smile. With the wallet back in his pocket, Alex went home, happy that the day ended well.
Past simple tense. The past simple tense is used to talk about actions or events that happened and were completed in the past. It uses the past form of the verb, which can be regular or irregular. Regular verbs take the suffix ed or just d if the base verb ends in e, as in decide, to form the past tense. Irregular verbs, on the other hand, have a unique past form that needs to be learned by heart. We'll practice both types of verbs a little later, so keep watching. Structure. Positive. Subject plus past form of the verb. Examples.
I visited my grandparents yesterday. We ate pizza last night.
Negative. Subject plus did plus not plus base verb. Examples.
I did not visit my grandparents yesterday. We didn't eat pizza last night.
Question. Did plus subject plus base verb.
Did you visit your grandparents yesterday? Did we eat pizza last night?
When to use. Completed actions in the past. One of the uses of past simple tense is to talk about something that happened at a specific time in the past. Examples.
I traveled to Paris last year. They went to school an hour ago.
Regular verbs used in this story. Need, needed. To decide, decided. To start, started. Walk, walked. Order, ordered. Remember, remembered. Finish, finished. Search, searched. Reach, reached. To realize, realized. Ask, asked. Enter, entered. Recognize, recognized. To nod, nodded. Hand, handed. Explain, explained. Thank, thanked. Irregular verbs used in this story. Have, had. Take, took. See, saw. Think, thought. Is, was. Leave, left. Go, went. Find, found. Feel, felt. Sit, sat. Lose, lost.
Now it's time to practice. Repeat after me.
He needed to buy a gift for his friend's birthday. He needed to buy a gift for his friend's birthday. At the first store, Alex saw a beautiful watch. At the first store, Alex saw a beautiful watch. He walked through the mall, looking at different items. He walked through the mall, looking at different items. He went to a cafe, ordered a sandwich, and sat down to eat. He went to a cafe, ordered a sandwich, and sat down to eat. Alex searched for the perfect card. Alex searched for the perfect card. Did you lose something? Did you lose something? You left it here when you were looking at the watches. You left it here when you were looking at the watches. Alex was so relieved. Alex was so relieved. He thanked the salesperson, took his wallet, and left the store with a big smile. He thanked the salesperson, took his wallet, and left the store with a big smile.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you practice with our videos, you get closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to get more of our lessons.